Happy Friday! Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone had a great Thursday. Today we are doing a really fun project because after we finish our project, it's a game. So we are going to need blue construction paper. If you don't have blue construction paper or red construction paper, you can color a whole piece of paper. That's what I did. And then once we did that, I cut my blue piece into a shark head like this, and I put 2 eyes on there. I cut my red colored piece of paper into the shark tongue or the mouth, and then I cut up some white paper to give it its teeth. Because do you know how many teeth sharks have? They've got up to 20 layers of really sharp, pointy teeth. Isn't that crazy? So we are going to glue this all together because we are going to make this game with bubbles that you also need to cut out, and we're gonna need a die because remember how we shook up the die and rolled it? That's gonna be part of our game today. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna glue on my tongue to my shark mouth. I'm gonna take my glue stick. Flip it around. There are so many different species of sharks, and they're always in the ocean. And this shark that we're making won't hurt you, don't worry, so don't be scared. And now I'm gonna glue on the teeth. Can anybody guess how many different types of shark there are? There's over 300. I know, that's a lot. So there's big sharks, there's little sharks, there's sharks that eat on the bottom of the ocean called bottom feeders, and there's sharks that eat at the top of the ocean called top feeders. So I'm gonna put on its mouth. Okay, and here I have my shark. And you could do different things. You could cut the mouth open so you could throw your bubbles into it, and you could perk it up like this, make a little stand. He can look however you want. He doesn't need to be blue and red, but I just did it like that to make you see the shark. So, how many numbers? Remember we learned about the die when we played our last game? It goes up to number what? What number is this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all of these different numbers on the die represent a different number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so let's start our game. I'm gonna flip the camera over so you see how we're playing. And I want everyone counting with me because when you're gonna do it at home, you're gonna count also. Okay, I've got my shark who is down at the bottom of the ocean. He's gonna be a bottom feeder. Most sharks are found at the bottom of the ocean. And I've got my die and I've got my bubbles. I cut out extra, which you can too, so you can keep playing. You can cut out more than 10. But let's see, we're gonna shake it up and see how many bubbles we're feeding our shark today. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's get 4 bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know what the shark says? I'm still hungry. Let's roll it again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Should we do it one more time? Shake it up. 3 again. Remember, dice are random. I can't control what number I roll. 1, 2, 3. So let's see how many bubbles he's already eaten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's eaten 10 bubbles. And you know what? I think he can still eat. So I'm going to keep rolling my die and keep feeding my big shark. And you guys are going to start putting together your shark so you can play with me too. Okay, let's count our last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And he says, "Thank you, Miss Gabby. I am finally full." All right, boys and girls, well, have fun with this. And what you can do to make it more exciting or make it last longer, you can cut out extra bubbles. You could do some scientific research and find out what different types of sharks eat, what they eat when they're a bottom feeder, what they eat when they're a top feeder. But name your shark if you want to. Sing Baby Shark while you're playing our shark game. But have fun with it and design your shark. You can make him small, you can make him really big, however you like. All right, boys and girls, have a great weekend and have fun with this game today. Alrighty, I'll see you on Monday.